It's been 6 weeks since a fire traveled through a chain of Barnesville businesses, destroying 2 and affecting even more. So CBS News Atlanta wanted to know, how are people doing in that town? Our Daniel Wilkerson is live on Market Street. And good afternoon to you, Daniel. You're actually at a business that went through the demolition process.
Good afternoon to you, Sharon. Yes, when we arrived, crews were working on the demolition of Goggins Florist. For those of you familiar with the area, those workers tell me that this town has a lot of history. He says they're going to try to save these bricks for the new structure. They say there's enough history here, just as much history as the kindness and generosity. Shane Peak says you are looking at nearly 100 years of history.
Billy Sr., that's Dan's granddaddy.
Okay.
He opened it up in 1938,
Okay.
and this is his actual stuff that he used also.
Peak has worked here at Bankston's barbershop for 6 years, so he felt the impact too when multiple businesses caught fire in early March.
Floor's new.
Okay.
Floor's brand new.
Okay.
Other than that, I mean, you know, just smoke damage. It had a layer of soot everywhere throughout this shop. So they had a crew, it's a restoration crew that came in. They took everything out, boxed it up, packed it up, hauled it off, went cleaned it, and then when they brought it back in, everything was cleaned, and you know, but they did have to repaint everything.
It happened in Lamar County in Barnesville, a town of about 6,000, about 60 miles south of Atlanta. 2 businesses were a total loss: Mama D's Family Food and Fun and Goggins Florist, where crews tell us they are 2 days into demolition. Now, 6 weeks after the blaze, CBS News Atlanta has learned the fire investigation has been closed. A lieutenant with the Barnesville Police Department telling us Wednesday the cause of the fire has been classified as undetermined. The fire department says even more businesses suffered damage. This was the scene Wednesday at an event business next to the restaurant. The owner says they have another 2 months of construction ahead of them, while crews work to rebuild the interior of Everything Beautiful, a boutique next to the floral shop.
I've spoke with them a few times, but they're just kind of, you know, just rolling with the punches.
Rolling with the punches, Peak says, with a lot of support.
We had a few of the salons around here, the Best Little Hair House, Salon Therapy, and then Heavenly Hair Company. They reached out to us and offered us a place to work. And of course, you know, we took it up, and we only missed one day, which was the day after the fire. We gathered all our stuff up and went to the other salons.
Back here at the floral shop where demolition continues, now comes the decision for these business owners of whether to rebuild and reopen. I'm working on that part of the story for CBS News Atlanta at 6. Sharon.
And Daniel, I love that they are actually taking up the bricks and saying that we're going to rebuild with these bricks as well. All right, we'll be watching them along the way too. Daniel, thank you.